Hello there everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are over here at the Lost River again. It's early, the sun isn't even up yet. I don't know if the camera's gonna be able to pick it up very well, but it hasn't come over the hill yet. So we're here and we're gonna see if it's going to work out. Without further ado, let's get my stuff and cross the bridge and then walk down through all this junk. Yay, fuck stills in the feet. All right, there's actually not that much traffic this morning. That's kind of nice. Don't have to worry about the audio being too bad, although I'm sure once I get down there, the traffic will pick up. Foxtails in the socks early in the morning. Ouch. All right, let's get the buzzbait. I'm gonna do the buzzbait first, even though there's no phone. I think that's gonna be the move this morning. I'll go right there for now. Felt so much like a fish. Caught someone's catfish rig, I think. No, I caught someone's ancient looking bass rig. I don't need to be in the river. I felt like a fish though. Last time I went fishing, it was at Lake of the Woods, and we caught fish, but they're small, and I want something with a bit of meat to them. That's why I'm here today, to see if I can't get a fish that's at least a pound or over a pound. Normally I can, or at least the past few times I've been here I've been able to. Got one, finally. Just a little chum. I'll definitely go a pound though. Definitely go a pound. Well, he might be a bit under a pound, but it's a fish. Been here for a good bit of time without catching a fish. Ways away from hopefully all the ants. There are a million ants here, and it is annoying when they bite you and get inside your backpack and you bring them home and they crawl all over your bedroom, and it's disgusting, let me tell you. I need to put my glasses because the sun's coming up and I can't see nothing at the moment. This is my favorite color. Obviously I haven't experimented with every color, but out of the colors I've tried so far, this one's the best, in my opinion. That bite was so subtle, I didn't even feel him like grab it and like tug like they do when they're vicious. He would just grab and my line, nothing moved. I felt nothing. I just lifted up and there was this slight bit of weight. I was like, I don't feel right. So I set the hook. And it was a fish. That's sort of how they sometimes bite it with a jig. Maybe it's a jig morning. Maybe I should be throwing the jig. I think now the fish, and I had him on for a little bit, and then he spit me out as I set the hook. We're skittish this morning. Again, I'm pretty sure I had a fish on there because it came skyrocketing back at me like something was holding it and let it go. That guy stole my trench hog. No. That was rude of him. I'm gonna set this to the side for now. Bring out like an old black jig. Let's see if anything wants to play with him. I need to go with a lighter sized jig or something. This plant here is either hydrilla or milfoil. I don't know which one it is. I think we're just gonna call it hydrilla. There's ants all over my phone. Get out of here, bud. That is an otter. There's not gonna be any fish where there's a big old stinking honking otter. I don't like otters. They're cute until it comes to the fishing aspect. Then they eat all your fish. Question is now, where is that otter going to show up? I don't know. Is that an otter or is that a beaver? Whatever it is, I don't like it. Question is it gonna come and attack me? Or what? Either it's just a beaver or it's a huge otter. If it's an otter, it's like 40 pounds. Hopefully that otter went that ways, not this ways. That was a horrid cast. What am I even doing, someone may ask. I don't blame them. You're gonna know an otter somewhere because they gotta come up for air at some point. But I haven't seen it come up anymore. Just slightly on the side of worrying. Where did it go? Is it going to attack me? I don't know. Good content though. Otter attacked me while fishing. That sounds kind of... Honestly though, I don't want to be a part in that, if I'm being honest with you. It sounds kind of terrifying. Just pushing in by my ear. Felt something itchy scratched up there. That had this nasty smell that you get when you squish one of those small sugar ants. It's not a pleasant smell, I'll say that much. Even though I've only caught one fish so far. I've seen an otter, too many bullfrogs to count, and yeah, that's about it. Oh, and one tired boy. I just got crushed.